doing today? Thank you for being here. My name is Jen and welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. Today we are going to make honey garlic shrimps. It's very simple. This is really ideal when you're having that hectic week. So this is during like weeknights when you are running around places and you just want something quick. So this is very delicious. We're gonna make the sauce, the honey garlic sauce, and then we're gonna add the broccoli. I added some broccoli. You can add whatever veggies you want, but I love that crunch of broccoli and a little heat from that red chili pepper. So this is really nice, delicious, and so simple and easy to make. And let me show you how. Season the shrimps with salt and pepper. I use broccoli florets, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 chili pepper. And for the sauce, we have soy sauce, oyster sauce, rice vinegar, honey, tomato paste, garlic powder, and a little bit of sesame oil, and then mix until well combined. And then heat the pan with oil, add the shrimps, and cook them until they're pink on both sides, and then remove them from the pan. Use the same pan, add the garlic and saute, add the broccoli and stir to combine. Now we're going to add a little bit of water to steam the broccoli. So you want it nice and not overcooked. It still has that little crunch and really nice bright green color. Now add the sauce, stir again to combine. Add the shrimps back into the pan and also the red chili pepper and stir to combine. There you go, dinner is done.